country, we're proud of our team, we're just happy to celebrate.
I mean, we're a little disappointed, but we're really proud of the Moroccan team. They did so well. I can't even believe that they got this far, but it just has been such a beautiful journey watching them beat Spain and Portugal. I mean, watching Ronaldo run off the field crying. No one would have ever thought that could happen.